You know what's next. Yep. I got the 87504 hung, and also you kind of notice something that's not on the ceiling. See the sensor wiring there? There's the sensors down over there. Run up. And I put a retainer on the top of the T-rail and ran the sensor wires through that. See there, I like to make a coil and then curl it, loop it around, and then it goes down to the motor. And if we pop this open, that's really cool. See in there, wiring, and you can also see that light flashing as it does have the battery backup connected to it. And we'll run it in the battery backup mode too. So let's first run it regularly and see how quiet this thing is. Yeah. Back down. Okay, and then I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna unplug this thing. Oh. And we're gonna run battery backup mode. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Let's see here. It says on the wall button. Okay, and then I'm gonna come up here and plug this back in. This thing's warm. Okay, and then let me get there. I'm gonna put you on pause here for a second. Okay, here's the remotes. You get two of them. These are the 893 Max remotes. And we're gonna use this to run it now with that. Hit it again, go back down. Okay, there we go. I know I said I was going to film some of it, but I did not want to do that. I just wanted to get this done. So, that's why I didn't film it. And you can see here, here's the camera, and it is active. It is recording. If I can get you in there. This thing has two positions when it's down. It has this position here, and then it has this position, and you can put it up like that. But I have it recording, so I want it down. So yeah, I like that. And you can see this thing is super bright on the bottom. Super bright. super bright LED lights. I love that. See, there's the side of it. I can grab this. There's the back. There's the other side. There's the front. So yeah, right here, that's where the battery is there, and I just kind of tucked those into there like that. This is when this was made. So there's that. And you can see the retainer there. And then down there's the sensors, and there's the keypad, which is the 877 LM. So there's the keypad here. We'll run this up. I just have 8754. Put Shanner to go down. I'll do a sensor test. So there's that, and I just do the. They'll also do a force test. Always try. That thing responds quick. There. But yeah. Then we'll run it down with the keypad, and then I'm getting the fuck out of here. So. Okay. That's all I have for you today. So, I'm gonna get out of here so I can get this uploaded. Bye.